Hello everyone, it's great to have you all back again. Today's video is all about hand care. The skin on our hands take brunt from every chore we do, whether it's cooking, cleaning or taking care of a kid like in my case. I have never had baby soft hands and I think it's only gotten worse, and the feeling that it belongs to someone older is even worse. Not only that, but the products that we use these days don't help us either with all of this and make the skin on our hands feel rough and wrinkly. So if you want to avoid artificial ingredients on your skin and take care of your hands with these 3 easy do-it-yourself treatments, jump on in and let's get rolling. My first one is the cuticle oil. This is my go-to treatment if my cuticles are cracked, dry or broken. For this, I am going to add about a teaspoon of coconut oil in a bowl and then just melt it all in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Once done, I am transferring this into a clear container so that the ingredients are visible. To this, I am then adding in glycerine, about 4 to 5 drops of it. This is of course an optional ingredient and you can totally omit it if you don't want to. But I love it because it adds a protective layer on the skin and retains moisture. Then goes a few drops of lemon essential oil, known for its antibacterial properties, so it becomes a perfect ingredient for the cuticles. The last ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. I am going to mix this all well, and this simple oil is great to moisturize and soften the cuticle and prevent it from any further damage. To make the application an easy process, I am pouring this into an empty nail polish container. Then it's as easy as applying nail polish, and using this product regularly has definitely helped my cuticles. With any kind of home treatments, I always think consistency is the key, so give this a try and let me know how you liked it. I know a lot of people don't have time to make such treatments at home, so the best alternative in such cases is to use just plain coconut oil or Vaseline. The second treatment for hands that are rough is definitely a scrub. A sweet home remedy to get baby soft hands is by using sugar as a scrub that's readily available. I'm using about 3 teaspoons of it. To this, I'm adding about a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of olive oil, and finally squeezing some lemon into it. Mix it all together and this scrub is ready to be used. I love this because it's like a 1-minute solution. You can just throw all the ingredients on your hand directly when you feel like you need a treatment and scrub it away for lightening, brightening and softening the skin all at the same time. The final treatment for supple hands is a good hand cream. For this, my staple is the coconut oil. It's great to heal extreme damage and dryness. I am using about 6 tablespoons of it here. I'm then adding in about 4 tablespoons of shea butter. This versatile product has great benefits and is used in almost all bars, lotions, lip balms, etc. I'm then melting this mixture on the stove top on a very low heat. You can of course use the double boiler method here or just use your microwave to melt them. But with any of these methods, just ensure that the mixture just melts and does not come to a boil. Once it turns into a clear liquid, I'm going to remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for some time. To this, I'm going to then add about 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and then about 20 drops of rose essential oil. Rose is my kind of fragrance, but feel free to choose the fragrance of your choice, and if you don't like fragrances in your creams, you don't have to use them. I am going to mix this all together and pour it into a container of my choice. I am then going to place this in the refrigerator for just 5 minutes to harden up. Once it hardens up, it's ready to be used as it is, but if you like a creamy consistency like I do, fluff it up using a fork or a hand blender. I use the hand blender. This cream is definitely on the greasier side and you don't need too much product. Since I have extremely dry hands, I love it, but for people who don't prefer the greasier version, using beeswax instead of coconut oil is a great alternative. Using these 3 simple treatments is definitely helping the nails and skin on my hands. Sometimes I think I spend so much time taking care of the face, I totally neglect my hand and foot that are equally exposed and go through daily wear. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give these easy and natural recipes a try, and hopefully with consistent use, you all get back your supple and spongy hands. As always, like and share this video if you enjoyed watching it, and if you're new here, I would love to have you as my subscriber. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and I shall see you all very soon in my next one. Bye-bye.